Aaron here from Aaron Fuller Transport. How you all doing? Today we're doing another truck wash. We are using AutoChem Truck Wash and Wax. It is a extreme performance cleaner, premium soap that will leave your truck looking beautiful, give it that lustrous shine, streak free, and just look in the absolute business. So you're going to see what that's all about. Let's go spray some of this on the truck. Right, we're about to get this spray foam wash and wax on, but first pre-rinse. We always pre-rinse. There it is, AutoChem Truck Wash and Wax. Let's have a quick look. Look at the shine on it. You can still see the water is still drying up and it just beads off, so it looks absolutely magic. If you want some, Filters and More, got you covered. 10% off, go in store, ring them up, tell them Aaron Fuller Transport sent you, or AFT 10, whatever you choose.